Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to produce more melatonin. Melatonin is a crucial hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle, often called your circadian rhythm. When your body produces enough melatonin, you fall asleep more easily and enjoy deeper, more restorative rest. We'll explore practical, science-backed methods to naturally enhance your body's melatonin production, helping you achieve better sleep quality starting tonight. Creating an optimal sleep environment is key. Blue light from screens can significantly suppress melatonin production, so try to avoid phones and tablets for at least 2 hours before bed. Ensure your bedroom is as dark as possible. Even small amounts of light can disrupt your sleep. A cool room, ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, also signals your body it's time to rest. Your diet and daily habits play a big role. Foods like nuts, seeds, and tart cherries contain compounds that support melatonin synthesis. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock. Regular exercise is beneficial for sleep, but avoid intense workouts within 3 hours of bedtime, as this can be too stimulating. Establishing a calming evening routine signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Try gentle stretching, meditation, or reading a physical book to relax your mind. A warm bath or shower about 1 hour before bed can also help lower your body temperature, promoting sleepiness. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals to help you sleep better. Sweet dreams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.